This class 10th subject biology chapter 1 nutrition. Nutrition means the process by which the living organism obtain food or intake of nutrition. Food supplying system. We can say that is the food supplying system. So nutrition, okay, we can write that is, what is that? Intake of nutrients, and that is food supplying system, okay, like drinking breast milk, like that. And how you write that is the process by which the living organism. So what is that? Nutrition means intake of the food, intake of nutrients, okay, or food supplying system, or we can say the process by which the living organism obtain food, means getting the food, okay. So that is okay, about the definition of nutrition. And coming to the, what is that, mode of nutritions. Mode of nutritions, okay, those are two types, okay. Mode of nutritions, two types. One is autotrophic. Second is heterotrophic. Okay, how many types? Nutrition is mode of nutrition, two types. One is autotrophic and second one is heterotrophic. What is the autotrophic and what is the heterotrophic? Auto means self. Okay, trophic. I'm telling about the definition of the autotrophic. What is that? Nutrition which nothing but living organism which make their own food on their own is called as autotrophic nutrition. Clear? Plants. Example is plant. That is make their own food, okay, on their own. And algae, photosynthesis, produce, okay, like that. Example having, okay. And then what is the heterotropics? All heterotrophs depend on autotrophs for generating their nutrition. Example, man also, we are depending on autotrophs, okay. What is the example? We are getting, okay, food, whatever the vegetables, fruits, whatever that, we are depending on autotrophs. Yes or no? We are depending on plants. So we are heterotroph examples. Clear? So coming to the autotrophic, okay, autotrophic. So autotrophic, we can write, what is that? Point nutrition is nothing but living organism, okay, which make their own food, on their own, called is called as autotrophic. Okay, called autotrophic nutrition. Clear? First point, what is autotrophic nutrition? Is nothing but living organism. Which living organism which makes their own food on their own is called as autotrophic nutrition. Example is plant. Okay, plant is not depending on that. That is it. Okay, which the plants are make their own food on their own. Okay, and help of the photosynthesis. You know that is very well. Okay, and then what is the example? And more point we can write. What is that? Second point. The organism will prepare their own food. You can write like that also, own food. Okay, the organism will prepare their own food and by process called as photosynthesis. In any organism prepare means plant, example plant, the organism will prepare their own food. That process is called photosynthesis. Okay, and whose are those organisms perform autotrophic, okay, are called as, also we can write another way. What is that? Whose are those organism perform autotrophic nutrients are called as autotrophs. What is that? Autotrophs. Autotroph means self-feeding. Okay, remember what is that about that autotroph? Nutrition is the nothing but living organism which make their own food on their own is called as autotrophic nutrition. The organism will prepare their own food by the process called photosynthesis. Okay, and the coming to whose are those organisms perform autotrophic nutrition. Nutritions are called as autotrophs, means self-feeding. That is a self-feeding. Clear? And then that is about the autotrophs. Example what? Example we can write like that: plants, algae, and photosynthetic. Photosynthesis. Photosynthetic photosynthetic yeast. Okay, example plant biology, photosynthetic and yeast. Okay, and coming to that is the heterotrophs. What is that? Heterotrophs or heterotrophic. What is heterotrophic? Or heterotrophs heterotrophs depend on autotrophs for generating their nutritions. Okay, example we can write human also and animals. We are depends on, okay, heterotrophs depend on the autotrophs. Okay, not we are own, we can't generate own. Okay, and then coming to photosynthesis. Okay, coming to photosynthesis.